This portion is brought to you by Mercury Drug, nakasisiguro gamot ay laging bago.
Mahilig ka bang kumain o uminom ng mga citrus fruits kagaya ng pineapple juice o kaya orange juice? Pag yes ang iyong sagot, well, congratulations! Dahil isa yan sa mga main sources ng vitamin ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon, ang vitamin C, with our topic, the many benefits of vitamin C. This is Generation RX, your health and travel show, now signing on. Vitamin C is beneficial to the human body in many ways. Kagaya ng ibang mga vitamins, dapat nating malaman kung ano nga ba ang vitamin C at kung paano ito nakakatulong sa ating kalusugan. Let's watch this.
Vitamin C is L-ascorbic acid, which is found in leafy greens and citrus fruits. It has many uses in the body. The first use is that it is used in the synthesis of what we call collagen. Collagen is protein that is used in making our skin and blood vessel. It's also used in making what we call as carnitine, which is used to transport yung fatty acid natin to the organ of the body, which is called the mitochondria, so that we can form energy. The second use of vitamin C is to boost the immune system by stimulating the phagocytes that kill bacteria and toxins. Third is the antioxidant effect, which knocks out the free radicals that destroys our tissues, especially the nerves and the blood vessel lining. And the fourth is that vitamin C is a natural anti-allergy. The major source of vitamin C, of course, is our citrus fruits. So we have our oranges, grapefruit, and the cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cabbage. Vitamin C is different from other vitamins in the sense that it is an essential nutrient. That means it cannot be synthesized by the body. So dapat maghanap tayo ng external source and it should be supplied all the time. The other thing is, vitamin C is water soluble. So natutunaw siya sa tubig, siya rin ay na-excrete sa ating ihi. So that's why it should be supplied by the body continuously.
Isa sa pinakamahalagang bitamina ng ating katawan ang vitamin C at napakarami rin itong mapagkukunan. Pero may isang vitamin C na siguradong di lamang mamahalin ng buong pamilya kundi pati na rin ng inyong bulsa.
Ang Rhea-ascorbic acid, so it increases your resistance to stress and fatigue and very affordable and you can ensure na quality yung product na ino-offer namin.
Mahirap nga nakulang ang ating katawan sa vitamin C dahil isa ito sa lumalaban para hindi tayo madaling dapuan ng sakit.
Ang vitamin C ay nakakatulong para tumaas ang immune system ng ating katawan. Ito rin nakakataas ng resistensya para labanan ang pagod at infeksyon. Nakakatulong din ito para sa madaling pagdaling ng sugat. Sa preparation na meron tayo na 500 mg, ang pag-inom is 1 to 2 tablets a day. Depende sa payo ng inyong doktor.
Rhea-ascorbic acid is a vitamin supplement that every Filipino can take due to its affordability as compared to other vitamins in the market.
Anong una nung di pa nagtitake ng vitamin C, nararamdaman ko is nanghihina ako, tapos pag nasa trabaho ako, parang less energy ako. Tapos pag nasa bahay naman ako, parang napapansin nila na hindi ako masyado nagkikikilos. Madali ako sipunin, ubuhin, madali ako nagkakasakit. After ko i-take yung Rhea-ascorbic acid, naging masiglahin ako. Sa trabaho, naging less stress ako. Tapos napansin ng mga kasamahan ko na naging masayahin ako. Tapos hindi na ako madaling magkasipon, magkaubos. Tapos mas naging healthy ako dahil nag-take ako ng Rhea-ascorbic acid. I strongly recommend Rhea-ascorbic acid sa mga katulad kong masisipag and always on the go. Lalo na ngayon na paiba-ibang panahon, umuulan, umaaraw, so we need protection. So we have to take Rhea-ascorbic acid.
So for those people na engaged sa mga physical and mental or strenuous activity, I am encouraging you to buy or purchase yung Rhea-ascorbic acid namin. So we can assure you na basta tatak Rhea, sigurado ka.
Bukod dito, alam nyo ba na ang vitamin C ay nakakapagpaganda at nakapagpapaputi ng ating balat? When we come back, join us as we learn more of the many benefits of vitamin C to our body. This portion was brought to you by Filusa Corporation, touching the lives of every Filipino. It is unfortunate that as humans, we cannot produce our own vitamin C. That is why we have to get it from the food we eat or through supplementation. Now, how much of vitamin C do we really need? And is there an overdose of vitamin C?
The most common form naturally is L-ascorbic acid. And an L-ascorbic acid can be synthetic or natural. The other form of vitamin C is the one that is attached to minerals. But when we combine them with minerals, we have to take into consideration that the minerals and the vitamin C are taken in by the body. So we have to know the recommended dietary allowance also of the minerals that is combined with vitamin C. It has been found that there's no really difference between the biological activity of synthetic and natural ascorbic acid. So you can alternate whether you want to get your vitamin C from natural fruits or vegetables, or you can take just tablets. The recommended daily allowance for vitamin C for men is 90 milligrams and for women it is 75 milligrams. Usually, hindi natin makukuha yun lahat-lahat from fruits and vegetables. So, it is advised na mag-take ng 500 milligrams ng tablet, and in addition, kumain pa rin tayo ng mga 3 to 5 servings of fruits and vegetables. In stressful situations, vitamin C is very much needed because it will boost the immune system. Number 2, of course, the use of vitamin C in cold. It has been found that vitamin C cannot really prevent or cure cold except in 2 special circumstances. In those who are exercising vigorously and those who are living in very cold weather. But the good thing is, it can prevent the complications of colds.
Proper knowledge of the best source provides your body with the adequate dose of vitamin C that your body needs. As with all other vitamins and minerals, vitamin C is most effective when combined with other nutrients. Now, what happens if you lack vitamin C in your body?
Meron tayong ngayong mga vitamin C na tinatawag na time release. Ine-expect natin na pag time release, magkakaroon tayo ng mas mabuting absorption ng vitamin C. Pero sa mga pag-aaral, nalaman nila, ang absorption ng vitamin C ay bumababa ng 50%. Otherwise, you have to use a double dose in order to get the effect that you want.
Vitamin C, the queen of health supplements, is recommended to be taken by everyone as a general health aid, immune system booster, and antioxidant.
Vitamin C is an essential nutrient, no? And therefore, we cannot get it from our own body, and we have to get it from the external sources. And being water-soluble, it is thrown out of the urine every day. So we have to replenish every day.
In conclusion, those with adequate vitamin C intake in their diet tend to live longer at hindi sila sakitin. Kaya mga kabarkada na kulang sa vitamin C, mag-isip-isip na kayo. For more health tips, like us on Facebook, type Generation RX. So till next week, this is Generation RX, your health and travel show that keeps you informed. Now, signing off.